to create Canva Education account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search canva.com/education. In here, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Teachers at the top. After you've clicked on Teachers, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Get Verified Canva Education. Then you'll find this kind of screen. In here, add your country, school email. If you don't have one, click on I don't have a school email and press on Continue. Then you can select any document, payslip, letter of employment, school ID, teaching ID, anything. Then click on Choose File, add your ID, then press on Continue, and you will be verified. This is how to create Canva Education account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.